my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This side Veronica, Jai Shri Krishna. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you a beautiful oil scrub mask which will gonna help you in removing all your blackheads, all your dark circles, acne spots, as well as all the dirt and everything, and it's gonna make your face so clear, so good. And this home remedy works like amazingly. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, this is it. So I add coconut oil, sugar and turmeric and egg. These three ingredients are like so good for your skin. Coconut oil helps you in moisturizing your face, as well as sugar removes all the dead cells or the impurities, and turmeric gives you brightness. You can add lemon in it. I'm not adding lemon right now because I don't have it at home right now, so I just skipped that lemon. These three ingredients are really good and they will gonna give you a very effective result. So let's get started. Let me show you how you have to apply it, how I'm gonna apply it on my face. Before applying this home remedy, I just washed my face with my face wash. This is from Mamaearth Beetroot Gentle Face Wash. I have already made a video on this, and this face wash is really very hydrating. It made my skin very glowy. So I just love this Mamaearth product because they are made in India. Again, they are parabens and sulfate free, and it made my skin super soft. So before applying anything on my face, you have to wash your face, and it should be clean, oil free and dirt free. So basically this face wash is with beetroot. It is having hyaluronic acid, and beauty's hyaluronic acid is must for your skin. It hydrates your skin, gives you moisturized skin. So this is my face wash, and this gives pink glow, that what this product claims, and it really does that. So I just love this face wash. So I just wash my face with this face wash. This face wash, beauties, I also bought this Mamaearth Beetroot Hydra Full Moisturizer with beetroot and hyaluronic acid. Again, this moisturizer is really amazing. If you don't want glossy, oily and dewy skin, then you should go with this moisturizer because this is non-sticky, non-oily and 48-hour hydration, and it really does that. So this is super duper mild on your skin, controls your oil. I don't know, but it does for me. I tried it on my face and it controls my oil. It is super good for all skin type, gives you instant glow. So now let me show you my another product from Mamaearth. This is Beetroot Hydra Full Moisturizer with beetroot and again hyaluronic acid. It hydrates your skin, gives you an instant glow. I just love these two combo because this moisturizer is too good. It gives you 48-hour hydration, totally oil-free formula. It's like gel-like consistency and gives you a very soft skin. So it absorbs in your skin so heavenly, so beautifully. So I'm going to share this link of these two products in my description box so you can go and check this out. And this will also going to help you in removing the tan from your face. Don't scrub so harshly. Be gentle with your face, be gentle with your skin, just scrub it. This. And friends, if you're having oily skin, you can replace coconut oil with almond oil, because oily skin people can use almond oil, but coconut oil can give you pimples or acne. So just apply it like this. Now after scrubbing, beauties, I'm going to wash my face with my normal water and with my face wash, and I will be back after washing my face. Beauties, it just made my skin super soft. It hydrates my skin. It removes my blackheads and whiteheads. I'm a little bit having a blackheads, and it just removed that. It made my skin literally super soft. So I just love this home remedy, beauties. This is oil scrubber. This is homemade oil scrubber mask, you can say, and it truly worked amazingly on your skin. So beauty, just go give it a try, and this is really something you should try every weekend at your home. So beauties, hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. If you have any recommendation question, any queries, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much guys. Bye bye. Take care.